Yo, what's up, guys? It's Prideful Cat 115, and Jesus Christ, dude, the 1080p 60 on my new phone looks way better. Looks like way smoother than on my other phone. But anyway, yeah. So this is my new phone, the OnePlus 7T. You know, T-Mobile edition. Bragging rights. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. This is a OnePlus 7T, and I love it a lot. But anyway, I'm unboxing the two monitors. It finally came in, and actually, here's the HDMI to DisplayPort like cable. Um, and I got this because there's only one HDMI port on the back of my PC, on the back of my new PC. So there was like, so there's only one other port, and that's a display port. So yeah, I bought it for my other monitor so that I can, put two in the back of there. And yeah. So now back to this. I'm about to cut this open, and I'll see you guys when I get my unboxing knife. By the way, I would have unboxed the cables on camera, but I forgot. So now we only have this to unbox. It's from B&H. Pretty nice store. Their online store is dope. Dope, dope, dope. I hope this shit isn't fucked up, because it was shipped by FedEx Express, and dude, like they left my boxes out in the rain and didn't, try to ring the doorbell or knock or anything. So these things are just out in the rain. Luckily, I caught them just about like right on time. 'Cause I had looked out there like a little bit like before like they arrived, and they weren't here. So then I was like, okay, I'm gonna check back out there in like a few more minutes, like 20 more minutes. And they were out there soaking in the rain. But yeah. So I caught them, in pretty decent time. So none of the packages are soaked. Only the outside boxes are, which I am very grateful for. 22 inches, well, 21.5. Why would they put 22 and then put 21.5? Anyway, whatever. Full HD LED. Actually, I forget. Is this AMOLED? Let me see. It says 1920 by 1080 IPS in plane switching. 1 millisecond response time. Holy. Radeon FreeSync 0 frame. Blue light shield, and okay, flickerless. All right, so yeah, pretty good monitors. Let's go. Why is it all puffed out like this? Oh, no. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it like this. Okay. So that's that. And I probably won't show the unboxing for the second monitor since it'll be the exact same, but Yeah, here we go. Hold on. I'm gonna have to pull it out now. One sec. Okay guys, so this is what it pretty much looks like. Um, it has the stand and everything on the back here. Power cable and whatnot. I don't know what this is. Oh no. Feeling hella stiff. Oh baby. Oh shit. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Come on now. Woo! These, dude, it looks so sharp. Like, the bezels are so small, dude. It's literally just a screen, bro. That's so nice. I love that. Look at that, dude. Like, it only has the bottom bezel. Like, there are, like a tiny, tiny bit of a bezel on the sides, dude. Alright, let me set this up and show you guys, what it looks like. Alright, guys, so I got it all set here for one of the monitors. This is my old setup. You know, I got this monitor, the 1600 by 900, and then I got this TV that's 1080p. Both of them are around 20 inches, and they're getting replaced. I'll probably set them back up in my old room. Just have one for like PS3 and then the other one for PS4 because the PS4 doesn't work on this monitor, only the PS3 does. I have them back here too. But yeah, hey, I guess it's just time to, assemble it on camera. Alright, one sec. Okay. Let's see what we got here. It looks like this part. First, I think I should set up this part. Part that goes into the monitor. Hopefully, wait. And then I put this part on this way. Screw it in. Dope. Look at that, dude. I'm gonna be working with that. What? Yo, new monitor. Who this? Joking. But yeah, man. So here we go. Wait. Alright, so yeah, there it is. Both of them. One thing that's a little upsetting is that one of the monitors is just a tad bit, a tad bit, like a couple centimeters higher than the other monitor. And I tried like pushing down on it. Um, yeah, it's just fully set up, and it's just towering the other one by just a couple centimeters. But that doesn't matter. Let's see how they look. Oh wait, I didn't turn them. Wait, is there like a... There's a power button. Are you sure? Is that the power button? Yeah, okay. So now the display is extended. Okay, cool. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, share. I love doing these unboxings. I almost said unboxings. It's I'm pretty sure that's something else. But yeah, man, I love it. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.